Hello student, previous video we completed chapter 6 just NCERT exercises. Extra questions we are doing later in revision. Now please share and subscribe that video. Now in this video we'll see chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Here starting introduction is there. Here figure C, here number lines are there. Suppose here x axis is there, that means it's a horizontal number line is there here, and vertical another number line is there, that is the y. See here that axis we are giving the name, but number line just see again here horizontal number line is there, that we are name given x and x dash, x dash, and then vertical number line is there y dash. So these two number lines are perpendicular or intersecting each other at a perpendicular, or they are perpendicular to each other. Two number lines are perpendicular to each other. They are intersecting at point O. This point is called O. Okay. That origin is called coordinate axis. See again here two perpendicular number lines are intersecting at origin are called coordinate axis. Here origin are called coordinate axis. Here O, that is the 0 0, that we'll see again how it is 0 0 is coming, because you know that the here number line here 0 it is, this is the O, actually it is not 0, this is the O, intersecting point of these two lines. And you know that the number line here positive numbers are started here 1 2 3, then before that 0 is there, again after 0 minus 1 minus 2 is there, then 0 is there. That means here coming the points are 0 0. Okay, then here the horizontal line is the x-axis. Here see horizontal x. Here point is x, another is x dash, means that line is x o x dash. Here horizontal line is the x-axis x dash o x, or vertical line is the y-axis y dash o, means we are starting x o x or x o x dash and y o y dash or y dash o x. These two perpendicular lines are there, and then this line, this horizontal line we are calling x-axis, vertical line we are calling y-axis. Then see the second point, the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called origin and denoted by O, and it has coordinate point O, coordinate point 0 0. Here already I told here this point is origin is O, and that means 0 0 points are there intersecting at the point O. Then distance of a point from y axis is called the x coordinate or abscissa. See distance of a point from y axis. See distance here x-axis is there, then y-axis is there, that already you know that. See distance of a point from here y, this y is there, y-axis is there, this y-axis is there. Distance from a y-axis is called x coordinate. This see distance from a y, here this distance of here, this distance from x-axis from y-axis, distance of a point from y-axis, this y-axis there, distance from y-axis to its coordinate or abscissa. Okay, this is this x, or this is x distance is called the abscissa, is from distance of a point from y-axis. Then distance point from here x-axis is called, this is also from x-axis, this y is there, means from x-axis is called y coordinate or ordinate. Okay, have you understood what is the x coordinate and y coordinate? Here means see again the distance of a point from y axis, this y-axis there, distance from y-axis means this x, and this is from y-axis, so it's called abscissa or x coordinate, and distance of a point from a x-axis is called y coordinate. From x-axis, this distance is from this, from x-axis means it's a y coordinate or a ordinate. See, distance of p of xy, x is the on x-axis number and y means here from the y-axis whatever number is there that we have to write. Here again see here, if you are perpendicular each other, it are intersecting it, it's become a four parts of this here. So that one part is called quadrant, then quadrant first, quadrant second, and quadrant third, and quadrant fourth. Their sign is coming, see here, always we are taking first x-axis and then y-axis. So here x-axis is there horizontal, here positive numbers are there, so it's positive, and from this side also positive is there, so this first quadrants become positive and positive. Quadrant second, here see x-axis you have to consider, so minus, and here plus, so minus plus. Here quadrant x-axis is minus, here y-axis is also minus, so third quadrant is minus minus, and quadrant fourth is there, see x-axis positives are there, and y-axis negative, so positive and negatives are there. So here the ordinates and abscissa we studied. If the abscissa of a point is a x and ordinate of point y, then xy is called the coordinate of that point. See, xy is called the coordinate, means this point and this distance, that is the x, and then y, see here ordinate point, that is the y. So p of xy is called the coordinate of that point. The coordinates of a point on a x-axis of the form of x and 0, and that of the point of y-axis are 0y, means coordinate of a point on x-axis. If coordinate on a x-axis, this is the x-axis, okay, then points are from the x, on x-axis there, then x and 0 here, okay, means here on x-axis number we have to take first, so x, and on y it is coming 0, so x and 0, and then if on y-axis there, then 0 and y, 0y, so on the y-axis are 0 and y. The distance between 2 points, see distance between 2 points, if you find out, then p of xy and q x2 y2 is, means it is a distance formula, that d equal to in square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, and distance of a point of p of x, suppose see like distance of this p of x we have to find out, then what we have to do, from the origin, that means in square root x square plus y square. This is the introduction. With the help of this introduction we can solve the next exercise. That exercise is 7.1, question number 1 to 4. In coming video we'll see, so please share and subscribe this.